Welcome to this tutorial on how to construct your search in Linknovate. Let's imagine we are interested in drones, and more specifically in air traffic control or traffic management of drones. You should approach this search in Linknovate as follows. First, we try to capture everything related to drones, and then we narrow it down to the specific area of air traffic control for drones. We do this by using the different search boxes in the top left part. The first box is used to cover the more general, broader area of drones. Synonyms for drones should be used as an additional or term in the same search box. By combining these two search boxes, we tell the algorithm that we are specifically interested in information regarding air traffic management for drones. Constructing the search terms in this way provides the results we are looking for and the most relevant organizations in this specific area. We hope this quick tutorial is useful to improve your search tactics and your overall experience in Linknovate.